Owning a corporation? Taxes got you down? Double taxation can feel like a double punch to your corporate finances. But what if there was a way to avoid it? Enter the S Corporation, a special tax designation that can be a game changer for eligible businesses. It allows you to bypass double taxation and directly pass corporate income and losses to your shareholders. Think reduced tax bills and happier investors. But how do you unlock this magical tax status? Worry not, entrepreneurs. I'm here to guide you through the election process step by step. First things first, not every corporation can wear the S crown. Make sure yours meets the criteria. Domestic corporation, no foreign shenanigans. Allowable shareholders, individuals, certain trusts, and estates only. Sorry, partnerships and corporations. 100 shareholder limit, keep it intimate. One class of stock, equality is key. Excluded corporation check, some types of businesses like banks and insurance companies don't qualify. Step 2, Form 2553, your ticket to S Corporation. This is your official application to the IRS. Get all shareholders to sign on the dotted line and submit it within 2 months and 15 days of your desired effective date. Don't be late or the taxman might frown. Remember, accurate shareholder information is crucial. Once the status changed to S Corporation, your tax life changes. File the right forms, Form 1120S, and keep those K-1s flowing to your shareholders. By following these steps, you can open the door to significant tax benefits for your business and its owners. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the S life and watch your tax worries fade away. For personalized assistance and expert advice, reach out to High Five Consulting. Your success is our priority. Visit our website at highfiveconsulting.in or contact us at admin@highfiveconsulting.in. Let's navigate the path to financial success together. High Five Consulting, your trusted tax partner.